Hi friends, these are the directions for Wednesday, April 15th. They say, it's a wonderful Wednesday. Watch the Wednesday, April 14th direction video first, and then click on the week 1 Wednesday slides below. That's this. Things you need to complete and turn in today. The week 1 word sort, right here. The Boy Who Cried Wolf story elements, or the Grasshopper and the Ant story element sort. One of these two. You do not have to do them both. You need to do 15 minutes of literacy centers and 15 minutes of math centers. And then you need to do the caterpillar drawing, which is down here. We'll go over that in a second. Let's look through our slides. Today's slides are pretty easy. You should be able to follow them. Okay? It tells you what to do for word work. You need to read your words and then go back and do the word sort. Make sure that you click here to listen to the lesson. If you do not, you are going to be very confused about what you need to do for reading. Take a brain break, do centers, then we go to science. Make sure you click here so you understand what you're doing for science. And for your assignment for science, it says to complete the caterpillar drawing on Google Classroom or draw on a piece of paper and send me a picture. Let me show you what a caterpillar drawing is. It's going to be something that we haven't used yet, but I think you guys will really like. The caterpillar drawing is right down here. When you click on this, you will see that right here it tells you there are 20 different little slides. You will click till you find the one with your name. So this is Aubrey's. I'm not going to do, if I'm not Aubrey, I don't do that. You can see Alana, Mackenzie, they go in number order. So if you know that you are number 16, you're going to click until you get to number 16. You draw using the pen right here. You can click the little arrow to change what it looks like and to change the color. If you make a mistake, you can click the eraser. If you do not want to do your drawing on here, or if it's not working for you, you can also do it on a piece of paper and send it to me. All right, second graders, I can't wait to see your work. Make sure you click turn in so that I get to see it. Bye, friends.